Under the Misuse of Drugs Act 1977 to 2016, the Minister for Health can issue a licence for cannabis on medical grounds, and indeed has done so on 23 occasions now for 12 different patients. And we are proactively working to make sure this particular product is available to people who need it and to have a prescription for it. The HPRA does advise us that there is a problem finding a supplier. Bear in mind that medicines have to be of a certain standard and produced to a certain standard, and the HPRA, which is the Health Products Regulatory Authority, says that there is a difficulty identifying an appropriate supplier. I'm disappointed that the Deputy seems to believe that this is some sort of tactic or some sort of misinformation or disinformation from the HPRA. But and I understand the UK has run into a similar difficulty, but given that he's speaking about misinformation, a concerned member of the public gave me this, and I understand somebody from your party or associated with your party put this poster up. Put this poster.
He's a disgrace. You're a disgrace.
Please, Deputy.
It's a disgrace.
Would you let the teacher
It's the lowest thing I've seen a disgrace. You're a disgrace, Caesar. You're a disgrace. You have 2 years to get this right. There's thousands of people that are suffering. You're a joke.
Please, I have a serious concern about people spreading misinformation on health issues and claiming.
I want you to withdraw that remark.
I didn't make any.
I want you to withdraw that remark. You're making accusations.
What remark?
Please.
No, what you're about to do, just do it. Okay.
I think the Deputy protests too much.